Seymour! The house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the Northern Lights.
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good ham. You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe. Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Oh, that isn't smoke. It's steam. Steam from the steamed clams we're having.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed hams.
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, and I never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams. That's it?
No. Superintendent Chalmers, welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Help! Help!
Shh.